Hello everybody, thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. If you are new to my channel, I am Cynthia Maynard and I do art and cooking, and welcome back if you've been here before. Today I have gotten the Dina Wakley Scribble sticks, and as I'm a big fan of pigment sticks in my artwork, I thought I would try these out. Now the thing about these more specialized sticks is I feel like the price point is definitely maybe not as great of a deal as some of the other more artist brands. And these are, of course, put out by Ranger Ink. And this is the first set. So it has more of the primary colors in there and things that are at least close to primary. And so it's a good basic set if you want all around variety of colors, I guess, is what I'm saying there. Here are the names, as you can see. Maybe you can't read my handwriting, which is fine. Magenta, ruby, tangerine, lemon, lime, turquoise, sky, night, blackberry, which is my favorite, umber, black, and white. Now I put down some paint there, as you can see by the white, and I wanted to scribble over it with it dry and wet, and it doesn't really pick up very well, at least in the application that I did. Here I am hydrating them with some water. Of course, you could also use matte medium or gesso or white paint or something that would turn them into a pastel if that was what you were interested in doing, but you just using water here, which is off to the side, which is why you can see my hand going there. And yeah, I would kind of, so comparing, just to back up a little bit, I mostly use Lyra Aquarelle, were the ones that I was first introduced to, and I really like them. I feel like they're highly pigmented, they're very easy to use, the range of colors is great, and for what you get, I feel like you get a good for your price. Then I've done the Caran d'Ache. Those were also really great, and those are skinnier, so have a different range of colors, of course, and I've done a few others. Recently, I've done the Distress watercolor pencils, for lack of a better term, and which is also by Ranger Ink. And I feel like between those and these Scribble sticks, my opinion is, at least of this moment making the video, I will certainly play around with them more. I think I veer towards the Scribble sticks a little bit more. I feel like they're more pigmented. I think you get more in the Distress per tin, if I remember correctly. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Maybe you do get 12 in the Distress, but I felt like these were easier to use. I feel like with some of the Distress colors, I have to press really hard. And it's not that I dislike them. I think they're more of a, an option for paper crafters and maybe coloring in stamps and tags and some mixed media. I think that's fine, as well as these. But as far as paintings go, I tend to reach for my Caran d'Ache or my Lyra or Inktense pencils, those types of levels of companies. But that is to say, now I am a big fan of Ranger Ink, so don't get me wrong. But I think of Ranger Ink as more in the paper crafting world rather than maybe the fine art world or the, painting world. I don't know. Maybe my perception's wrong. But anyway, these were certainly fun to play with. And I think, it's got a fun name, Scribble Stick, right? Kind of makes you want to pick them up. I had fun drawing this little lady here. And you can also see the colors under my little gnome there off to the side. And they were fine. So I have to do a video on it yet. I have set number 2, and then set number 3 is coming, the pastels. And so I'm looking forward to trying those out as well. And I'll just keep playing with these things and see. So if you have an opinion, please leave it down in the comments below what your experiences are. Which ones do you prefer? Do you prefer Distress versus the Scribble sticks? Or maybe you've not tried them, or maybe there's something completely altogether that I've not tried that you want me to know about. But I certainly have fun playing with these kinds of things. Look at how fun they look. Thanks guys for joining me today. I hope you get into your room and use your wonderful art supplies and create something wonderful. It's great for our mental health. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next video.